Up here, boss?
You know what? Caught the bus, right? Caught the bus. Went ahead lunch with my little niece, right? And it hit me at lunch. So she said, "Unc, you better get on out of here and hurry up and get your butt home. You know, I know that stuff happened. You know." So it's okay, sweetheart. You know, you're right. So I come out, man, and I walked from the restaurant to where you see me. And man, I'm telling you, that took everything out of me. My legs feel like lead. What's your name, my brother?
Tremaine, man. Nice to meet you, man.
It is really nice meeting you, Tremaine.
No problem, boss.
It really is, man. I'm old enough to be a father, I know. You know, but let me tell you something, man. You know, you're a breath of fresh air for the younger kids, right?
Yeah.
That I've seen coming up. Because you're well-mannered, you know what I'm saying? You're nice, you know? So I can't say enough good things about you, man.
I appreciate
what you're doing for me.
Well, I like to help people out, man. So.
That's good, man. That's good. That's good. You get your blessings like that, Tremaine.
Yeah.
You know that?
I always know it, man.
Yeah, you get your blessings out of the way, man. God bless you, man, so much. Lord knows I can't make it.
Or you
know, if you
took your niece to eat the Subway?
Huh?
I said you took your niece to eat at Subway?
No, a little, what do you call it?
Little Caesars?
No.
KFC?
Yeah, it is Little Caesars.
Oh, Little Caesars? The pizza place?
Yeah, right. I don't really like pizza that much. You know, she does. I know she's crazy about it.
Okay.
Yeah. So I spent my last little $25 on a lunch. You know? And maybe got some change in my pocket. But I want to give you something for doing this for me, man.
Nah, man, don't worry about it.
You know, you can come by my house and get it if you want. I swear, because I sure appreciate it. I wouldn't have made it down here without you, man. And I know I wouldn't. I wouldn't have made it down here.
You got an extra pump or something at home?
Yeah. I got many of them at home, you know. The one I was using, I believe I left it on the dresser. Asthma, right?
No, my little brother has it though.
Yeah.
Asthma and diabetes.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
Poor fella.
He's
Poor
young
fella.
too, so he got it when he was young.
Wow. Lord, he's got an uphill climb. You know what I mean? With both of them, the diabetes and the asthma.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It's a lot. I believe it. You better believe it. You know Samuel McCree way?
That's where you going?
Yeah.
All right, I got you,
Okay,
boss.
my man. Samuel McCree and Jefferson, I'll be straight, man. Look like this car run too.
Yeah, it's got a little power to it.
I see it. Pressing that gas, it sure responded. Oh. Sounds like a stick.
Nah, it's just the way I'm driving it.
Okay. Sounds good to me, though. I
Thank
like
you.
the way it sounds. Have on it?
It's a Flowmaster muffler.
Yeah?
Yep, Flowmaster Super 10 is what it's called.
I love it. I love the way it sounds.
You into cars?
Huh?
You into cars?
Big time, man. Big time. Tremaine, you're a class act, man.
Yeah.
God bless you, man.
No problem, buddy.
God bless you and keep you always. Thank you.
Have a good one, man.
You too.
Yo, that's crazy. Like, I never did nothing like that before. This guy, random guy, seen me walking out of my job, and you know, I seen him. It looked like he couldn't really breathe, and he said he had asthma. Woo. Yeah, he said he had asthma, and you know, I felt kind of bad. At the same time, I felt a little skeptical about it too, because you know, you really can't trust people these days, especially where I'm from in New York, man. You can't trust nobody. But you know, he was cool dude. He really couldn't breathe. He got real bad asthma. He had to, I don't know, from that just little 10-minute of driving, he had to walk all the way down here. So I felt kind of bad for him, man. I just wanted to do something nice, and I gave him a ride. Funny part is, he was a car guy, and he actually liked the way the car sounded. Which is crazy, but you know, sometimes you gotta help people out, man. Not everybody is a bad person. So, and that was random, complete random. I promise you, that wasn't playing nothing. I literally came outside of my job to go grab some food real quick, and he asked me like, yo, can you give me a ride real quick? Like, yo, I really can't breathe, you know. And I'm just like, yeah, man, sure, I'll take you wherever you want to go real quick. And mind you, I'm at work right now, so that was a little crazy for me. I usually don't give random people rides, but he looked like he really needed some help, man. He couldn't breathe. He was breathing pretty hard. I had to record it just in case, man. I don't know, you know, where I'm from, man, you never know, man. Stuff be going down. It could have been a setup, so I had to record it. I don't know, he could have been leading me into a little setup, you know. Somebody could have pulled up and they could have just been shooting. I don't know. Listen, always prepared, man. So I had to turn the camera on just in case. Do nice things for people, man. You never know what's gonna come your way, man. That man could have, who knows, that man could have died trying to walk home, and who knows, I probably saved his life or something. But thank y'all for watching this quick little video, man. Appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. If you just randomly found this, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. That's all I got for y'all, man. I'm out. Peace.